Hello everyone, my name is Shalin Kumar. Now today I am going to discuss about statistics. In this chapter we have few things. Basically, first one is what mean, second one is mode, and third one is median. So now let's start with what mean. So consider an example 1, 2, 4, 6, 9. This is your what observation. Now question is what is the mean for given observation. So basic definition for mean, the sum of all observation divided by number of observation is known as what mean. So basically sum of all the observations 1 2 3 4 6 1 2 3 4 5, total number of observation is what 5. So what is your mean? X bar we can say 2 4 3 2 1 2 3 4 7 13 and 9 22 by 5 is your mean. Now what is the mode? The number maximum number of repetition of a same number is known as mode. For example 1 2 6 2 4 5 2. So what is the mode for the given observation? So we can see clearly from the picture here 2 is 3 times. So maximum number of repetition of a number is your mode. So basically what is your mode? So mode is your 2. Next question is what is the median? What is the median? Consider an example 1 2 6 4 and 3. This is your observations. Now question is what is the median? So to find out median, first arrange all the data, all the observations in a ascending or descending order. So first arrange it in ascending order 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? Then counting all the observations. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6, n is equal to what? 6. This is even number. If n is even, then how many terms in the middle? So basically middle means one terms in the middle. So how can find out? Problem is that, so to calculate median for even you have a formula n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1 observations upon 2. So here n is equal to 6. So 6 by 2 observation and 6 by 2 plus 1 observation divided by 2. Third observation and fourth observations divided by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. Unfortunate 3 by 2 here your what? Median. If suppose n is odd, then what is the median? Suppose n is odd, then what is your median? So for odd number of observations we have a formula n plus 1 by 2th observation is your median. Basically what is total number? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, n is equal to 7, which is odd number. So for odd number what is the median? So 7 plus 1 by 2th observation means fourth observation, and fourth observation is what? 1 2 3 4. Fourth observation is your 4. So 4 is your what? Median. So it's a simple data, and you have to find out all three: mode, median, and mean. For the group data, problem is that you have if you have group data, then how can find out what these three things? First one is mean, mode, and median. So let's see how it will be. Consider an example. Marks number, suppose 4 6 8 2, and the numbers 1 2 4 and 3. So what is the mean of this type of observations? So for these types of observation, you have first find, suppose marks is denoted by f, and suppose marks is denoted by x, and this one is denoted by f. So find fx, means multiplication of these two: 4 6 to 12, 8 4 8 to 4 32, and 2 3 6, and sum of the all observations. Sum of the all observations divided by number of observations is your mean. So this is your formula, and we have to find out what mean for these types of data or these types of observations. If anybody asks about what is the median for the same data, and to find out median, we have a new terminology, and that is cumulative frequency, CF. Cumulative frequency, CF. So cumulative frequency comes out from the original frequency by adding one by one, 1 3, and what is the preceding data for this one? 4 plus preceding 1 2, means 1 plus 2 is equal to 7, and 7 and plus 3 is equal to what? 10. So basically, by adding the original frequency, you have to find out what? CF, cumulative frequency. If n is even, again formula, then n by 2 observation and n by 2 plus 1 observations, and divided by 2 is your mean. If n is odd, then what is the median? N by 2 plus 1 observation is your what? Mean, sorry, median. So here n is equal to what? 10. N is equal to what? 10. So what is the median for this data? Yeah, this observation, n by 2 means 5 by 10 by 2 observation, and 10 by 2 plus 1 observation divided by 2. So means fifth observation and sixth observation divided by 2. Fifth and sixth observation, which term contain So 7 is your just above fifth and sixth. So means this one is your 8. 8 is your what, fifth and sixth observation. So 8 plus 8 divided by 2 is equal to 8. 8 is your what, median. So we can also find out for the odd number. If cumulative sum of the all frequency is what, odd, then we can use the formula n by 2 plus 1 observation. All right, so now move to the next thing, and that is, if someone asks about what is the mode, so number of maximum frequency, and that is equal to what, 4. So 8 is your what, mode is equal to what, 8, because of maximum frequency is what, 4. So corresponding, what is the marks of maximum, yeah, corresponding maximum number of frequencies, this is equal to what, 8. So 8 is your mode. So now move to the next thing in this chapter, for the continuous distribution data. For continuous distribution data, consider marks, numbers 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, and 30 to 40, and its frequency means numbers 5, 2, 1, 4, and this one is 1. So what is your mode, what is your mode for the this data, yeah, this observation, we can say this one is the continuous distribution. So now question is, what is the mode for this data, this observation? So you have few terminology which is used for what, to calculate mode. First one is preceding frequency, second one is succeeding frequency, and model class frequency, we can say f naught, or we can say this one is f naught, this one is f1, and the size of the class, size of class, here size of marks, size of class, and lower limit of size class, and these are the things which is used fluently to calculate or to find out mode. So mode is equal to what, L plus f naught minus f1 upon 2 times f naught f1 model class minus f naught preceding upon 2 times f1 model class minus f naught f2 multiply by h, length or size of the class. So here maximum number of frequencies what in these observations is equal to what, this clearly we can say 4. So this one is your model class. So what is the lower limit, this one is equal to what, L is equal to what, 20, f1, f1 means frequency of model class is equal to what, 4, frequency of model class is equal to 4, preceding frequency just previous means 2, and succeeding just after means 1, and size of the class clearly we can see 10. So just put all the values in this formula, we will get your answer. Find out the mode. So I think it's too simple. Now move to the next thing. If anybody asks about what is the median for this data, oh, right? So basically we can also find out the median for the continuous distribution. For median we have a special thing, that is cumulative frequency. So CF 3, 5, 9 and this one is 10. So n by n is equal to what? 10. Here not doesn't matter odd or even, right? So what is the formula to calculate a median for a continuous distribution? N by 2 minus preceding frequency upon model class frequency, suppose f0, f1, and height of the class and lower limit is equal to what? Median. This is your formula to calculate a median. So here n by 2 means what? 5, exactly 5. So 5 means this is your median class. So n by 2 means 5 minus frequency just preceding means 3, just previous frequency, this is equal to 3, and what is the frequency of model class? This one is 2, and what is the size of class? 10, and what is the lower limit of class? Model class is equal to what? 10. So just putting all the values and you will get your answer. 10 plus 5 minus 3 upon 2 divided by 10. One thing is remaining in this chapter, in the point of view what? Median. What is the median for a given observation, continuous distribution? So you have to find out a new thing, and that is class mark, means midpoint. Midpoint means upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So here 0 minus 0 plus 10, lower limit divided by 2 is your 5. So mid value, we can say mid value, and this mid value use as a new observation, and you will have to find out what? Median, mean for new observation, and this mean is equal to what? Equivalent to median for the this type of distribution, continuous type distribution. You can say we can clear from the solving. 5, 15, and this one is what? This one is 22, 30, and this one is 25, and this one is 35. So this is used as a what? X, and this one is F. So just you have a simple formula. First fx, find 3, 5, 2, 15, 4, 25, and 135, sum of the all observations and divided by number of frequencies. sum of the all the frequencies. So here sum of the we can find out easily, and we can also find out the sum of the all the frequency. Finally, you have to find out what median for continuous distribution. So basically we have today learned what median, mode and mean for a simple data, group data and continuous distribution data. For recall, basic formula: for a median, sum of for a mean, sum of all the observation divided by sum of the all frequencies, a sum of the all numbers. And this one, what is the median for a simple observation? If n is even, so n by 2 observation plus n by 2 plus 1 observation divided by 2 is your median. If n is odd, so n by 2, n plus 1 by 2 observation is your what median. And for a continuous distribution types question, we have a formula for mode: L plus f1 minus f0 upon 2 times f1 minus f0 minus f of 2 multiplied by h, where h is the size of the class, f0 preceding frequency, model class frequency and succeeding frequency, and L is what lower limit of model class. And for the median, L plus n by 2 minus f upon f0 f h, where f0 is the preceding frequency, f is the model class